I'm Jeff Towers, and I'm about to show you why this house is better than the prettier one next door. Here's the deal. Summer's coming. Pool construction, good luck getting on that list. This one's done, it's gorgeous, and it's available now. Roseville's right there. Shopping, dining, entertainment. But you already knew that. This is the lifestyle. The question is, do you want it or not?